If you're looking to create automated transcription workflows in Descript, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to get started, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who needs to transcribe audio quickly and easily. Descript is a powerful tool that combines transcription, editing, and collaboration all in one. And the best part? You can automate the entire transcription process to save time and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is upload your audio or video file into Descript. Once that's done, the software will automatically begin transcribing the content. Descript uses a powerful speech-to-text engine to convert your audio into text with impressive accuracy. Now, to create an automated transcription workflow, you'll want to enable overdub for automatic voice generation and editing. This feature allows you to type out words and have Descript generate your voice seamlessly. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're looking to edit or update your content quickly without re-recording. To take it a step further, Descript offers filler word removal, which is perfect for cleaning up your transcription. This feature automatically identifies and removes filler words like and like. This makes your transcription sound more professional and polished without the need for manual editing. Another powerful tool in Descript is its multi-clip timeline. You can easily combine multiple transcriptions into one project, making it simple to piece together audio or video from different sources. This feature is perfect for podcast creators or anyone dealing with lots of content pieces that need to be transcribed and edited together. Additionally, Descript's collaboration tools allow you to invite team members to edit and comment on your transcriptions in real time. This is an essential feature for businesses and content creators who need to work together on transcribing and editing large projects. If you're looking to scale your workflow even more, Descript integrates with tools like Zapier and other automation platforms. This allows you to set up triggers, to automate tasks like saving your transcriptions, to cloud storage, or sending them to your team for review automatically. One of the best parts of Descript is its ability to produce high-quality transcription results quickly. Whether you're working with podcasts, videos, interviews, or webinars, you can trust Descript to handle large files and produce a fast, reliable transcription that is editable and accurate. As a bonus, if you're new to Descript, you can get started with a free version and even upgrade to an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses from the first link below. So, whether you're looking to create automated transcription workflows in Descript for your business, or just need a tool that saves you hours of manual work, this software is a game changer. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive trial and start automating your transcription workflows today. You'll be amazed at how much time and effort you'll save by using Descript to handle all your transcription needs.